Anyways, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another review. Here we are, and big thank you to Outre for sending out another unit. Always appreciate it, baby. If you are new to the channel, I hope you do consider subscribing, sharing the video, and of course, dropping your girl a comment down below. Now, let's go ahead and get into this unit, baby. Another, hopefully, melted hairline banger, baby. This is Katiana. Oh my God.
Can we just talk?
Ooh, Lord.
Talk about where we're going before we get lost. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Yeah. Started off right, I can see it in your eyes. I can tell that you want me. What's been on your mind? There's no reason we should hide. Tell me something I ain't heard before. Oh, I've been dreaming about it. And if you are wrong, so stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Maybe I thought never we were not. I've never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Figure out where we're going. Then I'll few, left some flowers in the room, and make sure I leave the door unlocked. Now I'm on the way, swear I won't be late. I'll be there by 5 o'clock. Oh, you've been dreaming about it, and I'm what you want. So stop thinking about it. Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost. Maybe our thoughts never we going up.
Yo, seriously, I feel like I'm sitting on Shaq's bed. I feel like I'm sitting on the edge and my feet are just a dangling. But we gonna make it do what it do. I may change it up, I may not. I like it. I don't love it. But anywho, let's get into this review, baby. By Outre. This is in the style Katiana. A couple of specs on this. This is part of the Melted Hairline Collection, baby. One of our bays on this channel. Now this is a transparent HD lace unit. It does have a frontal effect hairline. This does have baby hairs, 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. It does also have a pre-attached wide elastic band. So if you are interested in brown girl friendly blondes, I do have a playlist that I have created over here, or over here, boo. Now, Miss Katiana, straight out of the pack. Yeah. I was a little taken back by the color. I really was not knowing what I was going to expect. That didn't come out right. But anywho, we are slowly making a comeback. So this one was actually a little bit more plucked than we have seen in the past with previous units. It's nothing like the first Melted Hairline Collection where we were getting scalped. Outre, we were getting scalped. But y'all, you're making baby steps. You're improving. I think the parting space looks really good on here. I would probably plug just a teeny bit out of the hairline and out of the parting space just to open it up a little bit more. I did get the swoopity swooping, baby. Yes, I did. Just to give it a little bit more of a realistic hairline, make it look a little bit more natural. I think the swoopity swoops came out okay. okay. We are still kind of thick with it, okay? But we still made it do what it do. Now, as far as this cap fit, this is a very comfortable cap. I did take advantage of the elastic band in the back, and let me tell you, I've been wearing this unit all day, and baby, she is fitting like a glove. One of the most comfortable Outre units that I have reviewed on this channel. I really just, baby. Listen, Cubicle Carla, she can get all up in your scalp, baby. She can go and tug all she want. Katiana ain't moving. Yeah, so I think they did a great job on the cap fit. Definitely big head friendly. If you have a lot of hair, you know, just slay accordingly, sis. Slay accordingly. Pretty much straight to the point with the texture. Hello. Usually with these blonde units, when we get to the yaki textures, it can kind of look a little wiggy and a little off. Not this go around though. I think the yaki with this color is just such a beautiful combination. Hello. Now I know some of you aren't into the crinkles. I really don't mind them. You can go through with a hot comb flat iron or my baby. So if you're interested in this baddie, I'll have her linked in my Amazon store down below. But I use this sometimes when I don't want to apply a lot of heat. You basically just go through and you can kind of take away some of the crinkles. Didn't always work, but it keeps the texture. This creamy mocha, y'all. If you are melanated and you are into the blonde, the ash blonde units, you need this one in your collection. Maybe not this wig, but you need this color, sis, because this color, baby, my camera is not even picking up the multi-dimensional slay. So this is definitely more of a cooler blonde. It really doesn't have any yellow to it, in my opinion. Now you do have like some black, some chocolate, a little bit of white in here, kind of like an ash gray type of blonde, but it really just comes together, baby. Like I said, multi-dimensional happening. Yes. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with the unit. It is pretty long, hitting probably almost to like my waist. So you know, this is doable. This is manageable. This is practical. Yeah. So yeah, girl. And she's full. Look at this girl. Look at all that body. Look at all that body. Hello. Yeah, so this is definitely thick with it. They did not, girl, they did not skimp on the density. Katiana is thick with it, baby. She don't need no water. She not hungry. Yeah, so I'm pretty much happy, y'all. I think this came out really good. I'm very, very impressed. And I usually, you know, like I said, usually with these type of texture units and this color, I'm not really always for it. But baby, ew. Yeah, feeling myself. What? Feeling myself. Bam. So if you are interested in checking out the information for Miss Katiana, I will have a general link to this unit in the description box down below, or you could always just go to Google, type in Outre Katiana wig, bam, there you go, baby. Shop accordingly, slay accordingly, comment accordingly. So with that being said, if you are new, do consider hitting that subscribe button, share the video with your family and friends, and of course, drop your comment down below. Thank you so much to Outre for sending out the unit, but most importantly, thank you to you for tuning in. Always appreciate it, ladies. Take care of yourself. Keep yourself first, and of course, keep wearing confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.
Can we just talk? Can we just talk? Talk about where we're going before we get lost.